If you're managing construction projects, you know that collaborative decision-making is key to smooth operations. Today, I'm going to show you how CoConstruct supports collaborative decision-making on construction sites, helping teams make informed decisions, stay on the same page, and keep things moving efficiently. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share a special bonus allowing you to try CoConstruct for free. When it comes to construction projects, the ability to collaborate effectively is crucial. CoConstruct provides a platform where everyone, from project managers to subcontractors, can make decisions together in real time, streamlining communication and ensuring that the team is always aligned. No more miscommunication or delays due to unanswered emails. Next, CoConstruct's real-time updates make it possible for everyone involved to access the latest project details. Whether it's budget changes, project timelines, or design alterations, all team members can view and act on the same data instantly. This reduces the chance of costly mistakes, saving both time and money. The third thing CoConstruct does is provide a centralized location for all project details. This means that every decision, every change, and every communication is tracked in one place. No more searching through endless emails or trying to remember who said what. It's all there for everyone to review, making collaborative decision-making more organized and efficient. Another feature that enhances collaboration is CoConstruct's communication tools. With options like messaging, to-do lists, and notes, team members can easily share thoughts, ask questions, and address concerns without leaving the platform. This ensures that no decision is made without proper input from the right people. The fifth thing that makes CoConstruct stand out is its mobile access. Since construction teams are often on the go, being able to access the software from any device keeps the collaboration going no matter where the team is. Whether they're on-site or in the office, everyone can contribute to the decision-making process from anywhere. Finally, CoConstruct allows for better tracking of client decisions, helping to keep the team and client on the same page. With features that allow clients to approve designs, selections, and budget changes digitally, communication flows smoothly and approvals are quick, reducing delays and misunderstandings. So, why is CoConstruct the best choice for supporting collaborative decision-making on construction sites? It's because it centralizes information, keeps everyone updated in real time, enhances communication, and tracks every decision made. With all of this in one easy-to-use platform, you can eliminate common issues that arise from poor collaboration. Remember, if you're interested in trying CoConstruct, check out the first link in the description below for an exclusive extended free trial. This gives you a chance to experience all the features we've talked about today and more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of the offer.